Hello, I had the strangest request from some people asking me to do a tutorial on how to do a website chatbot because I've shown my chatbot about SystemeIO and I shown it. I say just a general advice to use chatbots to promote SystemeIO, and they asked me how to do one. Of course, you can search on YouTube how to create a chatbot, and many will show you chatbots for Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Maybe only a few will have the chatbot for the website, for your blog, but you can still find some. So I don't see what my tutorial will bring to you. What I can show you is the tool I've used, and I said in another video why I used this tool, because this one is from Builderall. Builderall is a suite of tools, over 50 tools, including website chatbot. So since I have an account with Builderall, I use this tool, but it's not the best tool to do website chatbot. I don't know what is the best tool to do website chatbots. I know for chatbots in general, so mainly Facebook, it is ManyChat and ChatFuel, but I have not looked into what is the best. But really, we don't need the best. We just need a tool that works, and Builderall website chatbot works. So that's what I used. So now I can show you the tutorial how to do it. If you want to have this chatbot, then you need an account with Builderall. You can find the link in the description of this video. And you can use the website chatbot. Also, chatbot for Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, etc. And you have many more tools with Builderall. So anyway, so here you are in the tool. You click Add Flow. So a chatbot is called a flow. Test. So I will do the start only, just to show you the start of the chatbot. So here at the bottom you have test chatbot. You click on it, and it starts like this. So this is your first box. You can make another kind of box and have it as the starting point of your flow. But for what I did, I used this one. So it means I have a message box with one button. Or I can add, on the left, I can add more buttons. This is the first thing that people will see. So what I did first, here I added an image. So I click here, and I select the image. So here I have my image here. I have the welcome image. So when I put it, it is uploaded to this tool. So, of course, because it's from my computer, so the image will stay in this tool. It's hosted there. And then after I can say welcome or something. I say here I say okay, get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. I say sure, but is it free? Because you know that's the first thing people want to know. I don't want to pay another tool, so is it free? Okay. Here I wrote it in the text, but in fact it's not. You can let it blank here. So I remove the text. I wrote it in the button, so that people read this sentence and they click on it. It's like they are asking this. So then after when they click, what I want a text message to answer. So I click here, I say in the text, so it's the same. You can add images at the top and the bottom of a text. Here it's a text message without a button, just to answer. So I say yes, SystemeIO is free. Okay, and then after answering this, what I want to do, I want a delay. Wait for 2 or 3 seconds, just so that they can read the answer. And then I want to direct them to my main menu. So for the main menu, I click on buttons. Here, that will be the main box where every answer will finally go back to this. So here I have the text, like I can put a smiley. Okay, how can I help? And then I have different buttons to say what kind of help. So question, do I need SystemeIO? Add another button. Can SystemeIO help me? And other things. So in the chatbot I made, what is SystemeIO exactly? Can I see a full list of the features? Can I watch video demonstration? And how do I start with SystemeIO? I did this, and the answer were a sequence of answers with images taken from the SystemeIO website. For instance, for the full list of features, I took the pricing table with all the features and each plan, and I cut it into several images. And I put the image in the answers, always with a delay to wait. So here, see, now we have those boxes, but they are not linked. So here you have the small dot. On this button, when it's clicked, you answer this, then you wait 3 seconds, and here you say, after 3 seconds, you go to the main menu. So now you have this, you can organize like you want, the space. And so this is the first, then you arrive here. And after you continue. So I will just do one and then we can finish this tutorial. So for this, for instance, do I need SystemeIO? What I did is just, I said yes, yes, yes you do need. Everybody needs SystemeIO. So how do I do here? This is the answer for this question. And when it's finished writing it, I just send it back to this menu. So not immediately, but I wait for 3 seconds so I can make it go back to the delay. So before I finish this, I will show you the different button here for this tool. Here is to save changes regularly. Here you have the get embed code. This is important because when you want to put your website, your chatbot on your website, you need this code, iframe. But if you know a little bit of HTML, you know that this is the most important. This is the URL of the chatbot itself. So for instance, if you create a QR code like this, maybe a better one, so you can download this one, but if you create a better one, it will redirect those who scan it to this URL. So they will see the chatbot on their mobile phone immediately. That's one way to do it. If you want to print out flyers, have this QR code, and they can interact with your chatbot immediately. Or if you want to integrate it in a website, then you need the full, because the iframe is like a box in your page where you will have the chatbot inside that box. So this is for the embed code. In the settings, you can change the colors and the image for the avatar, so that when the chatbot speaks, you can have your photo. You can put it here, so upload, and the colors of different bubbles and buttons. So I change the colors. In the avatar, I put the logo of SystemeIO, and here I change the colors in order to stick to the color codes of SystemeIO website. And also you can choose the font and the size, font size. So that's it for this. And there are more things, but I didn't use them. It's collected data, because in this flow you can ask for email, mobile phone, text answers, things like this, and it will save them in your chatbot. So you can go back to this tool and see who used your chatbot and what did they give as information. But also in the chatbot, you can directly send those information to a webhook, to a third-party tool. Also, if you ask for the email, you can send it to MB, which is Mailing Boss. It's the email autoresponder of Builderall. So you can collect emails and have them directly into one of your lists. And so they start receiving messages. For instance, the chatbot can give a gift. And if you want your gift, give your email address. And when they enter it, they go into a list where the first email is the gift being delivered. So that's it, I think, for those options, for settings. So you can see a preview with the setting. Okay, sure, but is it free? Yes, SystemeIO is free. How can I help? So do I need SystemeIO? Yes, you do. Everybody needs SystemeIO. And it stops there because I didn't do the link to go back. So if we go back to the flow builder, you can see that here I didn't set it to go back. So I send, after the answer, I send it to the delay, and the delay sends back to the menu. Why I send it to the delay? Because when I display an answer, I want to wait a little bit so that they can read, and it shows 3 dots moving, like if something will happen next. See in the preview, when you click here, it writes the answer and it waits for 3 seconds before sending to the menu. And same when I click on do I need SystemeIO, it will answer and wait 3 seconds to go back to the menu, and then you can continue. So that's how I did this chatbot with this tool. So I hope it helps people who ask. I will send them this video as a tutorial on how to do it with the tool I use. But there are other tools out there, of course. Bye bye.